What if your nearest doctor was 25 kilometers away? What if early diagnosis meant the difference between life and loss, but it came too late? For millions, this isn't just a what if, it's reality. But now that reality is changing in the heart of rural India, a quiet healthcare revolution is unfolding. Today, we take you inside the transformation led by Abbott and Americares India Foundation, where access is no longer a privilege and every step brings care closer to home.
Every person in India dreams of a healthier tomorrow, a future where quality and affordable healthcare is within reach.
ॲम्ब्युलन्स पण आहे, ॲम्ब्युलन्सची सुविधा सुद्धा इथे उपलब्ध आहे.
संपूर्ण औषध वेळीच आणि चांगल्या पद्धतीने मिळते.
आमच्या गावामध्ये सरकारी दवाखाना असल्यामुळे आम्हाला खूप फायदा होतो.
For over 135 years globally, Abbott has been continuously working towards making healthcare more accessible and affordable. Committed to innovation, the organization continually develops new approaches to deliver high-quality care, especially to underserved communities. By emphasizing prevention and early diagnosis, Abbott is actively working to reduce the burden of non-communicable diseases, also known as NCDs, to improve health outcomes across the country.
Upgrading primary health centers to health and wellness centers will significantly enhance access to affordable healthcare services and infrastructure. These centers also encourage people to take charge of their health. The impact is clear. More people are visiting these upgraded centers, benefiting from timely care and support. This effort aligns with Abbott's goal of expanding access to quality and affordable care in India.
Over the years, India has made significant progress in improving access to healthcare through programs like the National Health Mission, including Ayushman Bharat's health and wellness initiatives. Yet, many in India continue to face challenges accessing quality healthcare for both NCDs and infectious diseases.
आमचं प्राथमिक आरोग्य केंद्र हे गाव, वाड्या, वस्ती, जास्त करून आमचं आदिवासी भाग यांच्यामध्ये विखुरलेलं आहे. असं मिळून हे प्राथमिक केंद्र तयार झालं आहे. त्याच्यामुळे खूप सारे आमच्याकडे आदिवासी पेशंट येतात. आणि आदिवासी पेशंट आले, समजा जसं की गरोदर माता आली, तर तिला हे माहिती नसतं की आपल्या गरोदर चाचण्या काय काय केल्या पाहिजे. तर ती आली नॉर्मलसारखी येते, आम्ही तिचं पेपर वगैरे काढतो, डॉक्टर ॲडवाईज करून देतात की हिच्या कुठल्या कुठल्या टेस्ट केल्या पाहिजे. तर आमच्याकडे आल्यानंतर आम्ही तिच्या गरोदरपणातल्या सगळ्या टेस्ट करतात. जसं की HB, अल्ब्युमिन, शुगर, ब्लड ग्रुप करतो, तिला ब्लड ग्रुप माहिती नसतो. सिकल सेल करतो, तिला सिकल सेल काय असतो हा आजार देखील माहिती नसतो. परत म्हणजे इतर साऱ्या सगळ्याच टेस्ट आम्ही करतो, VDRL वगैरे, HbSAg.
Primary health centers, or PHCs as they're commonly known, are the first point of contact for individuals within the public health system. In alignment with the Ayushman Bharat initiative to upgrade PHCs into health and wellness centers, Abbott has partnered with Americares India Foundation to drive this transformation. This collaboration has significantly strengthened healthcare infrastructure, enhanced service delivery, and improved community awareness, ensuring timely access to essential health services.
प्रथम PHC मध्ये येणाऱ्या पेशंटला आपण पेपर काढायला सांगतो. पेपर काढल्यानंतर ते माझ्याकडे येतात. त्यांचं मी ब्लड प्रेशर, शुगर तपासून घेते. त्यांना समजा ब्लड प्रेशरचा त्रास होत असेल तर मी त्यांना औषधोपचार करते आणि शुगर टेस्ट केल्यानंतर त्यांची जर शुगर हाय असेल तर त्यांना औषधोपचार केला जातो.
These advancements have been made possible through several key enablers. These are, first, engaging community for encouraging healthy living, prevention, and early treatment. Second, improving infrastructure by upgrading facilities and adopting tools for faster care delivery. And most importantly, driving training programs through Americares for upskilling the PHC staff and ASHA workers to raise awareness about NCDs and infectious diseases, emphasizing timely diagnosis and healthcare decisions.
The project is aligned with the Ayushman Bharat's Health and Wellness Centers initiative and works with the district health authorities and the PHCs to create solutions specifically for each PHCs. The project begins with a baseline assessment, a needs assessment, and then engages with the PHC staff to co-create solutions for upgrading their PHC. So it helps in increasing the range of services and diagnostics the PHCs can offer. And this in turn helps early detection as well as treatment, particularly for non-communicable diseases like hypertension and diabetes.
Upgrading PHCs fosters proactive health-seeking behaviors. This promotes early diagnosis and effective treatment, which is crucial in tackling India's significant burden of NCDs that account for about 65% of mortality in the country. In addition, the upgraded centers are also equipped to help people locally, reducing the community's dependence on secondary or tertiary care facilities.
सर आम्ही त्याच्या मनावर बिंबवतो आणि आम्ही 20 वर्ष ते काम करतो. त्याच्यामुळे आमचा आत्मविश्वास तर त्यांना आहेच. आता आशाही गावातला पहिला डॉक्टर झाली. त्याच्या मुलं डिसेंट्री लागली तरी पहिली गोळी आशाकडे भेटते. प्रथम उपचार तो तिथे होतो आणि जेव्हा याच्या अगोदर पण आम्ही NC, PNC या सगळ्यात पहिले डिलिव्हऱ्या घरी व्हायच्या, आता संस्थेत होतो. त्याच्यामुळे लहान बाळांना जंतू संसर्ग वगैरे होत नाही. त्याच्यामुळे सगळ्या लोकांना आमच्याबद्दल विश्वास आहे.
Today, more people are walking into PHCs with renewed trust in their local healthcare system. The rising footfall is more than a statistic. It's a testament to lives touched and care delivered to people regardless of their socio-economic status.
आमच्या गावात अगोदर PHC वगैरे नव्हती, तेव्हा काही सुविधा मिळत नव्हत्या. आता PHC झाल्यापासून संपूर्ण सुविधा मिळतात. संपूर्ण स्टाफ आहे तो चांगली सेवा देतात. त्यामुळे इथं OPD पण वाढलेली आहे आणि लोक यायला तयार झालेले आहेत.
Abbott, in collaboration with Americares, will upgrade more than 300 PHCs by 2026, potentially benefiting over 9.8 million people in India. So far, 216 primary health centers have been upgraded to health and wellness centers across the country.
अशा प्रकारच्या उपक्रमातून ज्या PHCs घेतलेल्या आहेत तिथला जो सेवांचा दर्जा आहे तो चांगलाच उंचावलेला आहे आणि त्याच्यामुळे जे जिल्हा स्तरावरती जे हेल्थ इंडिकेटर आहेत त्याच्यामध्येही बऱ्यापैकी सुधारणा झालेली आहे. तर अशा ज्या इंडिकेटर्स आहेत तर अशा पार्टनरशिपमुळे विभागालाही नेहमीच मदत होत असते. ॲबॉट इंडिया आणि ॲमिकेअर यांनी भविष्यामध्येही विभागाबरोबरती अजून पार्टनरशिप करून मदत केली तर आपल्याला जिल्ह्याच्या इंडिकेटर्समध्ये सुधारणा करण्यासाठी खूप मदत होईल.
At its core, this initiative is about bringing care closer to the people who need it most. Through these efforts, Abbott and Americares are helping to ease the pressure on the healthcare system. It's a meaningful step towards healthier communities and a future where quality healthcare is within everyone's reach.